Let's start by putting distilled water into your humidification bottle. If you don't have distilled water, you can also use filtered water. Secure the lid and attach the humidification bottle to the side of the concentrator and connect with the tubing. Please ensure that the air filter is secure. Turn the machine on and give it a few moments to stabilize. Once you see the green light, you can also adjust the timer. The oxygen is flowing and ready. You can turn the knob to set the liters per minute as prescribed by your doctor. Now connect one end of the cannula tubing to the humidifier and the other end just under the patient's nostrils, securing the tubing over the ears. Sit comfortably, relax, and breathe normally. You can check your O2 levels with your Dr. Trust oximeter. Dr. Trust, trusted for life.